Desperation is growing in this Central California community. The drought is so bad, hundreds of people are now living without running water in their homes. You come home and...
Honestly, this would happen. Nothing.
Not even a drip?
Not even a drip.
They never thought this could happen in America, nor did any of the other residents affected. In this county alone, officials say hundreds of private wells no longer reach water due to the worst drought in California in 100 years.
Suddenly stopped. It's just, there was no water.
Angelica Gallegos has resorted to using baby wipes to help keep her two girls clean.
Without water, I can't survive, and I don't know what's gonna happen.
Homeowners able to spend thousands to get deeper wells dug learn there is a backlog of up to 2 years. The County Emergency Services estimates there are about 30,000 of these privately dug wells across the county. And one by one, they're drying up. So far, they have reports of 400 wells that have gone dry. County Emergency Services estimates the actual number of dry wells could be in the thousands, and there is no quick fix.
The issue is that we expect this still to get worse, even if we get a substantial rainfall this winter.
The homes are not hooked up to government water lines, which could take years to install. For things like washing and flushing toilets, the county has provided this huge water tank and government grants to pay for bottled water. Everything takes time, and thirst won't wait, which is what compelled retired resident Donna Johnson to do something. In 100-degree heat, she goes door to door delivering bottled water. Some she buys, some is donated. She's been doing this for weeks, and what she sees scares her.
It's almost like illness. It just kind of spreads, and all of a sudden it's a catastrophe.
It was Johnson's first-hand accounts that alerted government officials to just how dire the problem had gotten.
Without water, you can't survive. You can't keep your home. You can't keep water in it. And my heart goes out to everybody.
But she says nothing of herself. It turns out Johnson's well has gone dry too. Sarah Seidner, CNN.
Hi, how are you?
Tulare County, California.